Hey STEAMspirations fans, today we're on a new kind of epic journey, and it's not what you'd expect. You know those apps that you can't live without or the games that keep you up all night? Ever wonder what sorcery brings them to life? Today, we're embarking on a quest to uncover the software development lifecycle. Imagine creating the ultimate gaming paradise, and that's what developers do digitally. So strap in and let's set sail. Imagine you've inherited an island and you want to turn it into the world's best vacation spot. Before shoveling the first grain of sand, you'd want to know what the visitors crave, right? Beaches, roller coasters, a giant ice cream statue. In the software realm, this means tapping into the minds of future users, understanding what they desire, and drafting a wish list. It's like holding the ultimate feedback festival with confetti canyons, wild dance-offs, and brainstorming magic. Post-gathering, our island blueprint starts taking shape. Here, software designers and architects are like carnival planners, sketching out where every ride, stall, and stage should be. What's the vibe? Retro? Futuristic? Or maybe a Wild West showdown? Software-wise, they're choosing the tech tools, the design elements, and sketching how everything will flow together. It's a Great Carnival blueprint coming to life, with colors, excitement, and pure imagination. Here comes the grand spectacle. Using the Design Carnival blueprint as a guide, the coding sorcerers, aka developers, erect the rides, set up stalls, and rig up the dazzling lights. Every line of code is like laying a brick for a roller coaster, ensuring every twist, drop, and loop gives that adrenaline rush. The dreamy carnival starts shaping up, one spectacle at a time. Once we've set up, we need brave volunteers for a sneak peek. These first visitors, or testers in the software world, come in and test each ride, savor the food, and dance to the tunes. It's an exclusive preview. Their role? To point out if a roller coaster is too wild, a game stall too tricky, or if the popcorn needs more butter. They're ensuring everything is perfect for the grand opening. With the stage set and tests done, it's showtime. Drum rolls, fireworks, and the mighty gates of our carnival swing open. For software, this grand unveiling is its launch on platforms like App Store or Google Play. It's a magical moment where everyone gets to see, feel, and experience the magic we've been cooking. Now, even the best parties need some tweaks here and there. Maybe the Ferris wheel needs jazzier lights, or perhaps a new roller coaster is in order. For software, this translates to regular updates, adding new features, and ensuring any glitches are fixed. It's a commitment to keep the carnival forever young and exciting. Evolution is the name of the game. Software, like our adventures, never really settles. There's always a new horizon, a fresh challenge. Maybe the carnival needs a space-themed section, or perhaps an underwater adventure ride. Developers continuously expand and evolve the software, ensuring it remains epic and always steps ahead of the ordinary. So there you have it, the SDLC, a grand journey from a spark of an idea to a digital sensation made epic. If you ever think of the digital wonders you hold in your hand, remember the carnival, remember the magic, and know there's a wild adventure behind every swipe and click. Want more tech tales? Then slam that like button, flood the comments with your thoughts, and always remember to hit subscribe. Each one of you makes your community a little more epic.